Okay, mga moms, mga tol, for this workout challenge, ang tatargetin natin is yung legs natin, glutes natin. Okay, so all standing, pwede kayo maglagay ng dumbbells if you want. Kung meron kayo, kung wala, okay lang, body weight. Okay, 5 exercise to, mga moms, mga tol. Game. So first exercise natin, basic squats 15 times. Okay, hands here, here, or here. 2, 3, 4, 15 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Hinga. Next natin is split squats. 10 sa left, 10 sa right. So, ganito po yung split squats. Okay. Open your stance. Para naka-lunge position, straight body, then downward yung movement. Okay, so like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, lipat sa kabila. 10 times din. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Downward po yung movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hinga. Inhale, exhale. Next natin, squat jumps po tayo 10 times. So yung squat jumps po natin is shoulder width yung paa. Squat, then jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, relax. Hinga. Ramdam po yun dito sa quads. Okay, next natin, 12 times ng sumo squats. Okay, so meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. Pang-apat po ito. 1, 2, 3 sumo squats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Then last exercise po natin, squat, then reach side to side 12 times. So ganito po siya. Squat position kayo, narrow stance. Squat, then reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then last natin, dagdagan natin ng isa. Squat, hold, then abductors. 1, 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so yun po mga moms, mga tol. Pag natapos nyo to, rest kayo ng 1 minute, then do it again another round or 2 more rounds. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please like and share. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye.